Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 25th of February, 2023. We're going to talk about Loopring today to see if a price reversal is ongoing, meaning it's going on right now that you may need to take precautions and be prepared for the price action in the market in Loopring to go lower. So welcome everyone to the channel. This is what I do. I do the price predictions. You guys can already tell in Loopring, I did one all the way back on November the 7th of last year. Looking for the price in Loopring to go lower, and it has definitely exceeded our expectations. It went all the way down to around 18.5 cents back there towards the beginning of January. Look at that. That's around 42, almost 43% run in the market in Loopring since I did that price prediction back in November. However, congratulations to those who was able to call that move just like we did here on this particular channel, because this is what we do. We are in position to capitalize off of the market. So whether you got 42.86% or whether or not you got 9.5, congratulations. You came in, you left with more than what you went into these positions with. So let's go ahead and cut that out the way. And the first thing we're going to do, we're going to zoom out and we're going to look at the market in Loopring currently on the current price action that the market has been in since the beginning of the year. Okay, so you guys can see that we've got some changes occurring into the market in Loopring. Namely, the biggest thing is that price is now breaking the trend line. And you guys can see, when did it happen? Okay, the market in Loopring now is reversing its trend. The whole year of 2023 so far, market in Loopring has gone up. We like to see that. But when it breaks, we also like to see those things too, because it also gives us ideas as to, well, maybe we might want to take the profit off of this move that we've seen in the beginning of 2023. Take a look. I'm not showing you anything that nobody else is giving you access to. Market in Loopring back here on the 9th of February, even on the 10th, confirmed the trend. Price went up. Did it happen this third time? Right here on the 24th of February? No, it did not. So the buyers that were apparent here back in February the 9th and February the 10th obviously did not come in on February the 24th. That is why price currently in Loopring is going down. It is what it is. If the buyers aren't there, then price will go lower until it finds them. So let's look at the market in Loopring on the 2-day chart first and take a look at this on the 2-day price bar. Again, I don't like what's really going on into the market in Loopring from this perspective, but we got 6 hours and 34 minutes left. But if it looks the way that it looks right now in the next 6 hours and 34 minutes, be prepared for the market in Loopring to continue to go lower. Here it is on the 3-day chart as well. Okay, we're seeing the weakness entering the market in Loopring. Looking at this on the 5-day chart, that definitely tells me that we got some weakness in store into the market in Loopring. Now, even though we have the idea as to what the market is currently going through, which is selling and weakness, it may not go that low neither though, because people who bought the market in Loopring on this run up obviously may still be prepared to buy more Loopring because they still think the market is cheap. Okay. Now, one area that I'm looking at support into the market in Loopring is right here. Okay, so this is going to be the first area that I'm going to look for the market in Loopring to come in and grab some support. Okay, right there. And that is around what, 36 cents. So I'm going to hold that line there to the market in Loopring. Now, in the next day in 7 hours, just like I told you on the 5-day chart or on the 3-day. If this market in Loopring closes on this weekly price bar the way that it looks now, we have to be prepared that 36 cents is not going to hold, 35 cents is not going to hold, and that the market could go a lot lower, preferably back down to 32. So let me draw this line here for you all, so you all can see the levels that I'm looking for buyers to appear in the market in Loopring. Okay. So now I think I've given you all the gist as to how market is trading here in Loopring. We're going to place some weakness on the chart as of right now, and I'm here to tell you, just like on the weekly chart, give this market a day in 7 hours. But if it looks the way that it looks currently as of this recording, be prepared for the market in Loopring to go lower. Now, from a 2-weekly perspective, I'm looking for 30 cents to be that third area for the market to go from that duration, from that time frame, would be 30 cents. Okay, so let me put this back over to the daily chart. You guys can see my horizontal lines. These are my targets that I'm looking for the market in Loopring to go towards. Okay, so that first target, let me show you all what we have with the magnifying glass. We have it around 35 cents. Okay, so that's a move of 3.47%. 35 cents. You guys can see that. My second target is going to be down here towards 32. That is 11.5% move lower, 32 cents. And then my third one is going to be 30 cents, but that's on a longer term basis, i.e. weekly time frame, 2 weeks, for us to see the market loop ring run that low. So for us to go down to 30 cents, that's 17.25% move lower. 30 cents is that third target right there. Okay, so that is it. I am done on this particular video for loop ring. As long as the market in loop ring trades below this ascending line, we already know that price is weak. Okay, so that is it. I am done. Everyone who is new to the community, I want you all to give this a try on your own, to just simply look at the price bars and the volume to determine what the market is up to, where is it trying to go, and it does require nothing more than that. You don't believe me? Go back and check out my thousands of videos on this channel strictly doing just that. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.